But Vybz Kartel, you know, I think him coming out, basically a lot of people are interested in the genre again. And we.
But since the return of Vybz Kartel, you notice when I hear about none of them like a careless boy there? The whole of them gonna hide because Vybz Kartel has revived reggae music and dancehall. That
may I represent for one Media Fox.
Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock. Media Fox, Media Fox. Trending, nah stop. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest report them.
Go on. See Vegas and and a brother found out. I talk something about cartel thing and I mean I say I have to react to it and you see me, it makes people really understand how this music thing go, you understand? But I go play like clip of people, you see me? When I don't know, respect for the support, you see me? Yeah man, you don't know. Big up all of my fans, you see it? Media Fox, you don't know. One Media Fox, you see it? Yeah man, so people, listen what Mr. Vegas I say.
All these years and put on something like this, bringing it back, bring back the memories and bring back dancehall, right? Now we saw Vybz Kartel come out and so forth, and stadiums are selling out and so forth. Now you perform in New York City,
Barclays Center,
yeah, with a couple of major superstars,
Caperton, Elephant, Alkaline.
Now we're not knocking anybody's genre, but we see dancehall full up the stadiums more than any other genre right now.
Well, not more than any other genre, but in terms of people used to compare it with Afro.
Yo. You see what I talk about? The hosts. Yo, these why when these people when it comes to Vybz Kartel, when they want to make some talk, the man I go say fulling out stadiums and arena than other genres, dancehall. Bro, yo man, I tell you, brother. You see, because now watch what one man I do, and that a chicken, bro. You understand? But people, listen what I go on.
Yeah, because reggaeton, the thing with them take called reggaeton. Them artists still do crazy numbers. You understand what I say? Crazy numbers.
Rhythm.
So, but what we are happy for is Vybz Kartel, it piqued the interest again of the people.
Shows value.
Which is important.
Yeah.
Because you can't, we were out there still doing shows, but trust me, because he's an honest youth. We went down to Europe and them place there. Promoted them a ball. I said, boy, Afro, the people them want to hear, Yeah, Afro artists, them a beat with. So some of the promoters then that we used to go on tour with, I used to book us for tours. They went missing. It was MIA started booking.
Alright, people. Me remember, Kartel did their prison for 13 years. Zine and remember say, he never go a lot of these places before him go prison. Because you don't know him get banned for go certain countries and all of these things. You understand? Because maybe you don't know violent backgrounds and, running with the law and certain things. See? This thing, remember him just say a while ago about the Afrobeat thing and Afrobeat the people them want. First of all, dancehall did it way before the Afrobeats thing. See? Our the Afrobeats are forward, which means it's fresh. Everybody are going in tune with it. The young artists, but I forgot say where people forgot people is that remember say most of the artists them will come out of Afrobeats thing. See? Burna Boy, Wizkid, Davido, Thames, the female, all of these artists signed to major labels, which either in the USA or in the UK. This is what propelled the Afrobeat genre because them signed to these labels. You understand? But when you check dancehall now, we don't have a majority of these artists signing to labels like that. And people forgot that dancehall is a small percentage of the industry, which is the music industry. Compare it with the population of the country, whatever the genre create from. Africa, Afrobeats, Africa have millions, maybe billion of people. You understand? Jamaica does maybe have like 3 million, so, or like a 3 million plus. You understand? We don't have much people for really support the music or way for put it out there. Or remember say enough of these artists are propelled from dancehall really like Shaggy and Sean Paul and you understand Popcorn and you understand these artists was signed to some big labels for reach out there. You see it, majority of the artists them seem like oh Shensia did sign and she get a little thing, but you know it not really work out. Skilly Bang sign and I get a little enough understand, bro. We alone can't do that. Afrobeat can do that. Them have the population for even do that, for support the music, for push it. Which them need a pull there cross over different countries by signing to these labels and all of them something there. You understand? So no matter where you take it, Afrobeat thing I got always there up there. Yeah, Vybz Kartel come out and I do a couple shows. And because we only look on Vybz Kartel alone, that is a problem. You understand? When other things out there is going on, bro. You see it, cause we just have to pay attention to this alone. You see me? But listen what I say.
For artists them.
Yeah. Which would not matter to them, you know what I'm saying?
No, because it's a business.
Yeah.
But Vybz Kartel, you know, I think him coming out, you know, basically let people interested in the genre again. And we know the performers like the Capleton and the Elephant Man and so forth. The TOK them, look at TOK on the road a lot again.
Yeah.
Understand? Yeah.
Mr. Vegas, you're wrong there, brother. I understand say you rate Kartel and you try pop Kartel. Oh, you for say make people interested in the genre again. I don't understand that, bro. Yeah, make it look like say a Kartel alone in a dancehall and it lock up with people want hear. Yeah, people not see him for years, so them I want hear him sing him song them. But when you go say people interested back in a dancehall again, bro, one man can't make people interested back in a dancehall, bro. You not get this thing wrong. Because at the end of the day, bro, if I did that fact, Vybz Kartel should have hit some big bold for since him come out. I get some #1 album, I do multiple streams with the song, them latest song with them I do. You understand? Kartel a drop music, but nobody now pre big collab go on with him and DJ Khaled and move out of them. It not gone away, brother. So when you go say yo, interested, Kartel make people interested back in a dancehall. Bro, people been always in a dancehall and I look up to dancehall, bro. Tourists still come to Jamaica. I don't understand what you say, bro. You can't say that, brother.
They did better that show.
So we give thanks for people, you know, being interested in the genre again.
And it's not only Kartel, but BUJU BANTON and Beenie Man and Bounty Killer, for the Giants.
BUJU was more on the BUJU.
People, here man I go shun down BUJU thing, you know. Here what the man I go say about BUJU, cause him a keep on a talk about for people interested back in the genre because of Vybz Kartel. Bro, you need to stop this man worshipping thing, brother. You don't need to stop that, bro. Shaggy and Sean Paul out there do it, bro. Like, we understand, so no might not rate them, man, they give them flowers. But, bro, the worshipping thing with man, bro, nah, care not going away, brother. You understand? But look how the man I go do with BUJU people. You understand? Listen what the man I go say when the man say, yo, BUJU I do it too. But here what him I go say.
More like a reggae act. So we're talking about core dancehall, though.
Yeah.
I think, you know, we have to give credit to Vybz Kartel for that.
Yes, right.
You understand? Because just, you want to buy into something where you see hot.
Yeah.
So if you see a man sell out a stadium back to back,
Yeah.
it's an arena, and the man do 2 nights and he sell out, you're going to say, who else me can work with? Who else me can book? Those people that came out to celebrate Vybz Kartel, them love music.
Yeah.
So them a go on come to the next show. Maybe Vegas alone can full up the stadium, you know. We can package Mr. Vegas with Tanto Metro, Devante, TOK, you understand me I say, and so forth. Tony Mataran, you know, him have nice catalog too.
Yeah.
And he bring that energy too.
Yo, you know what the worst thing, people? Bro, wanna keep on compare this stadium thing and whatsoever and people. Bro, let me tell you this, brother. You have to understand, say, brother, nobody never see Kartel, bro. And I seen performance them. Bro, remember artists like you who done tour down Europe already, tour down US already, tour down Africa already. Kartel not do that yet, bro. So him a go higher stake, him a go have higher demand than any other artist because him did lock up. You understand? So no use that for put say, yo, people start interest back in it. Yes. Because people see them artists here where do the thing on road already. You understand? Them see them, so them demand go low, bro. You understand? But you can't make it seem like say, yo, this interesting. But people interested back in a dancehall again. That not make no sense, bro. The people them see the artists them already. But you say that Kartel forward out now. Yeah, a lot some people are going to see Kartel because them never see him. Them never see him before he go prison, and them never see him when him there prison. So get the thing straight, bro. You understand?
elephant man, you know, and bring that energy, you know, and keep it on and season and so forth.
Yes.
You know, so you can package maybe all of it I go do 20,000 a night. As a promoter, you know that.
Yeah.
Just be realistic. But we can package it for the people who came out to see Vybz Kartel. They can say, oh, I'm in a going out mood. Sometimes it's that, you know.
Is that vibes?
Yeah,
The vibes
yeah.
still. 'Cause
Yo, may I tell you people, them money. Yo, them money. So I tell them money in the music and understand all the thing, bro. You understand, bro? Just give us Cartel thing couple years, bro, and realize, bro, Cartel are gonna end up like the same artists them have been doing shows, bro. And the demand are go low, ticket price are go drop. Him have to start use other artists to push him thing. Him have to start have other artists on the show, bro. You understand? Remember, you know, bro, Cartel no got a year of performance yet, you know. The man gone about 9 months now, you know, bro. You understand? Next month when him gone to Canada, a 10 month that, at January him start the show, January. So now make it seem like this, yo, this man gone 10 years already or 5 years. You see what I try to say? Him still have the look of demand left. You see it? But people, see our next brother you forward out, you know. I want to listen what him say.
Don't care for the man, don't care for music, don't care for nothing when they come on to Vybz Kartel. But we need to give the man credit. We need to give the man credit.
You alone give him credit. You can buy him a digital credit or flow, you know. Yeah, man. Everybody deserve credit. You understand? Yeah, man. You need to give him credit. You understand? Because at the end of the day, bro, Cartel do him show them. This man do him show them. Everybody do them show, bro. You understand? Just because Cartel never did that do show like that, so everybody got pre-film show. You understand? But if you want to give him credit, give him credit. You see it? Yeah. People have heard visit Cartel, yes, and all of these things, bro. We have to understand reality. You see it? And not just because they've never seen back then make everything I go on now. Which I still dancehall, still the same way, still represent dancehall on a big scale. Yeah, but you forgot the fact why all these sold outs going on. It's because for years now him not go these places and him they lock up, them couldn't see him. Yeah, that is it.
You see, during the absence of Vybz Kartel, not entirely is what
The man said guys Cartel. Bro, I'm to them money, dog. The man said guys Cartel, dog. Jaja.
absence. But we actually say, for Vybz Kartel incarceration, the music has drastically diminished. Reggaeton and the Afrobeat, and they were coming one night time with trying to start some African dancehall and all of that. Because some little careless boy jump on it and jump on YouTube and jump.
What the brother attack say? When him really attack the people? The man I say, for Cartel, jail or prison time, dancehall drop. Then wait the people, wait there. Me not understand my one. See, I tell me say, when Cartel in a prison, see him coming by in 13 years, you know. See him, and after that would have be 6.5. See him? Year. So you tell me say, Cartel never did I release music. Do you know what of them time there? That you try say? Cartel never did release no music. So if you say dancehall fall drastically, that means the Vybz Kartel in it too. Him did a drop song. You understand? We don't know where you talk about. Afrobeat and all of these artists and record. At the end of the day, brother, the people them still tune into the young artists them. You understand? Dancehall no go around one man alone. It a trick uno, but it no go around one man alone, bro. If dancehall go around Vybz Kartel alone, right now Vybz Kartel should have more numbers than Shaggy and Sean Paul them. You understand? Have more numbers or even now since him come out. Him should have sold out. Him should have put him be a #1 album, be a #1 billboards right now since him release. If it did around him like that, nobody not really made Vybz Kartel music right now, brother. Yeah, them all look on him shows and all of these things because them not see him, but jaja. But listen what the brother has.
On social media and gone in at the them computer and I create some beats and start talk on them, because when I gotta give them the credit for say them sing on them. Start talk on the beats them. And the things started to diminish. The things that go down to the dogs. Yeah, the things that go down to the dogs. And so I only careless people where, you know, we can make nice and feel brave enough. And one time I Virgin I tell me to listen to one song when his son sing, and it was an embarrassment. It was an embarrassment. You know, because you hear the chorus.
So basically matter about the new trap dancehall thing, brother. Remember say you have artists like Carl Skillibeng, you know, brother. You understand, like TJ, them song go big. Billboard, Who Get Gold, whatsoever, same trap song, all of these things. People still listen to them, sing them. Look one Skillibeng song, Crocodile Teeth, and Wap Wap. The song them still do good. It still do good for dancehall. So I don't know what you mean by drop. I don't know what you mean. I understand so when you praise this Cartel and when you feel like say him alone can carry on the genre at a certain level. You make a sad mistake. Because you see it in them album release them and him songs them. Nothing is there right now. You understand?
And all of that, and I carry on certain way. And the biggest turn off about it is the rhythm. Is a rhythm that it was on. So that was one of the bigger turn off as well. Now we don't know, say, you know, the rhythm have a significant impact. And that's why two-time rhythm come and do it if it do. But they overcrowded and started to kill it.
People, what a brother try with the rhythm. I don't know what matter about. Look how much a big song forward after the new rhythm them. I don't understand. Which rhythm? What matter about? He look like he never planned for this. He never planned for this, man. Cause one of these Vybz Kartel save dancehall music. Bro, you have to understand, you know, brother. You forgot say back in the days, Vybz Kartel music usually get banned from certain places. You forgot? Eh? It come like say you forgot, dog. Save dancehall music, bro. This man released some prison and put out about 3 albums. We're not even getting the numbers. I must say one of them, I think, he got number 10 on the Billboard. You understand? Him drop one way there, nothing. We don't hear nothing about it. Bro, we not talk about save dancehall musically, Cartel. Bro, I'm sick in the head, bro. I'm sick.
But since the return of Vybz Kartel, you notice when I hear about none of them like a careless boy there? The whole of them gonna hide because Vybz Kartel has revived reggae music and dancehall. That
Yo, I'm telling about the guys over there. The guys are ill. Everyone say Vybz Kartel revive reggae and dancehall. You know, yo, me I tell the people, them need help. Them need help, people. So this man answer you from Vybz Kartel come out the artist them, bro. You see, because Uno love Vybz Kartel so much. Yeah, Uno only watch what him do. Uno now watch what the youths them do. That's why it seems to Uno say the things that the youth them a hide. The youth them still do what them a do from day one. It's just that Uno now really meds music. Uno meds where Kartel do shows and all these things. Cause Uno don't even have meds Kartel music like that. You understand? Uno just a watch where Kartel do. That's why when the young artists them drop song, Uno now meds where them a do. So that's a problem. Blame that on Uno. If you watch one man. You understand? Yeah, that is the thing.
Vybz Kartel had revived reggae music and dancehall. And for that, I'm gonna give him credit. I'm gonna give him credit for that.
Brother, go and go buy the man flow or digital, no, brother. You don't need you for forward out and I tell you, so you go buy digital credit or flow credit for give Vybz Kartel, bro. So you need to come on a platform and tell people, say, you are going to give him credit. I don't understand this.
Because right now, you know, some new man come up in the space. Not new man, but some old man are coming in the space and I do some new things. You know, and if it wasn't for that guy right now, even Sanchez, not Sanchez, they call it Pinchers, sorry. Pinchers.
People, that brother, you're confused, you know. Brother, you need some help, brother. You need help. You don't know where you're at. You talk about young artists. Now you talk about elderly artists. I don't know Pinchers. What them a do? Brother, yo, Jano, brother. I tell you about them. I don't know. Them man love media, but Jano, brother.
Just come out of the hoodlum and go on with that thing and people start to Pinchers again and I hear about Pinchers. And many other guys.
Brother, who call some name now? Many other guy, yo, this call the name them, bro. You just a chat one bag and nothing right now. You understand? Bro, when you not forward out on a bro, it better when you forward out on a different cartel thing. Do some research first. Yeah man. Google there. Chat GDP there. So many platforms there, bro. When you can do some research, I want paper, type up one script and put it in a PDF or something. And forward on the media and talk, bro. Stop with the one man mentality, brother. You understand? You just a chat one bag and nothing. You see, just to prep up Vybz Kartel. Do some research, bro, and come with something different where, you know, make it look like you represent Vybz Kartel to the fullest with some knowledge. You understand? Yeah.
Though him himself, I'm bandolier just in start a killing career too, you know. Don't can sing nor write it, but, you know, but now him a come out and him clean and him look like a better and I come with the bandolier out where they killing career. But anyways, me not stick on that. But yeah, reggae music has revived. Dancehall music has revived since Vybz Kartel, since the return of Vybz Kartel.
Yo, may I tell you, people, Jano, one of them thing there, man. You see it? Yeah, one of them thing there, people, cause it don't even make no sense. You see it? Them man as the Vybz Kartel say back reggae and dancehall, Jano. But people, one of them thing there, big up on yourself and you don't know one media fact. That is it.